One channel, 219 videos, and over 19 million views on a single upload. They're reportedly pulling in $40,000 a month with nothing but simple 2D animations of footballers and celebrities. Most gurus will tell you that you need a massive budget or years of animation skill to do this. They're lying. Everything you see on your screen right now was architected using 100% free AI tools. I'm going to hand you the exact $0 blueprint to clone this viral machine. We're decoding the script, the neural character anchoring, and the motion logic. Let's dive in. Before we touch a single tool, you need to understand the visual psychology behind why this niche is exploding. It's not about the art, it's about neural familiarity. By using iconic figures like Ronaldo or Messi in a 2D cinematic style, you bypass the viewer's skepticism and trigger an immediate dopamine hit. The problem? 99% of beginners fail because their characters look different in every single scene. It looks amateur, and the algorithm kills it. We're going to use a technique I call character anchoring to ensure your animations stay 100% consistent across the entire video. We're building a professional-grade asset library without spending a single cent on subscriptions. Here's how we architect the foundation. Step 1. We need a viral-ready script. We're using Claude for this because its reasoning capabilities far outpace GPT-4 for creative storytelling. Pro tip: don't just ask for a video idea. You need to feed it a niche-specific constraint. I've developed a 4-prompt sequence that forces the AI to think like a viral producer. First, we inject the idea machine prompt. Notice how I'm not asking for generic topics. I'm asking for what-if matchups that trigger high engagement. Once Claude spits out 10 ideas, pick the one that screams clickbait. Now we move to the script architect. Prompt number 2. Common mistake: people let the AI write whatever it wants. Instead, we're going to bracket our chosen title and force Claude to give us a character count and estimated duration before it writes the first word. This ensures your pacing is tight. If your script is over 60 seconds for a short, you've already lost. We want 55 seconds of pure high-retention energy. This is where most creators quit, but it's where you're going to win. We need visual consistency. We're using prompt number 3 to generate a character blueprint. Claude will identify every figure in your script and write a specific prompt for a character sheet. Take that prompt to GPT Image 2. Pro tip: always set your aspect ratio to 16:9 for the sheet, even if the final video is vertical. This gives the AI more spatial data to work with. Look at this Ronaldo sheet. See how he's shown from multiple angles? This is our neural anchor. Now we head to Flow AI. This is the secret sauce. Instead of just typing a prompt, we're going to seed the AI by uploading our character sheets first. This forces the model to reference our specific Ronaldo design for every single scene. This is visual integrity. Without this, your character will morph into a stranger by scene 3. Download every scene watermark-free. If you see a logo, you're doing it wrong. Now we turn stills into cinema. We need prompt number 4, the motion logic prompt. This tells the AI exactly how the camera should move for each specific scene. We're not just animating, we're directing. You have 2 free options: Flow AI or Meta AI. I personally prefer Flow for its start frame precision. Upload your scene, paste the motion prompt, and hit generate. While that's rendering, let's handle the voice. We're using ElevenLabs. Pro tip: don't use the standard voices. Look for deep narrative styles that mimic high-end documentaries. It adds a layer of perceived authority that keeps viewers hooked. Finally, we assemble in CapCut. The golden rule of editing: drop your voiceover first. It's the spine of your video. Every clip must snap to the narration. If there's a gap, the retention drops. Add sporty transitions between scenes to maintain the momentum. If a clip is too loud, duck the audio by 80% so the voiceover stays front and center. There it is, a professional, high-retention cinematic short created with $0 and zero experience. This is how you beat the 99% who are still trying to do this manually. If this $0 architecture just saved you 20 hours of work, do me a favor, smash that subscribe button and join our community of AI architects. I've put the full tool list and the 4-prompt sequence in the description below. Go build your empire. I'll see you in the next one.